Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something rather interesting for you. We're going to be talking about 10 words that only British people use. So just to note, these words are all slang words, so you should only be using these words in informal situations and with people that you know, like your friends and your relatives. So please do not try to use these words in formal situations. So the first one we've got is bloody hell. Bloody hell is used to show annoyance or anger in a situation. So for example, my friend could say, "I've just lost my keys." And I could say, "How the bloody hell did you do that?" On to number 2, we've got cheers. Now, I'm sure you guys know that cheers can be used in situations where you are celebrating something. So we bring our glasses together and we normally say cheers. However, in the UK, cheers also means thank you. And it's really commonly used. I would say for some people, they would actually rather say cheers than say thank you. On to number 3, we've got rubbish. Now again, like with cheers, this one has 2 meanings. So you guys probably know that rubbish is something that you throw away in the bin. However, another meaning of rubbish is just something that is bad. So let me give you an example. I could say, "Oh, my old boss was really rubbish." On to number 4, we've got blimey. Now, blimey is used to show like shock, surprise or excitement about something. And this could be used in various different situations. On to number 4, we've got dodgy. Now, dodgy is like a synonym for something shady, something that's not quite right. So for example, I could say, "Oh, that guy's a bit dodgy. I'm not really comfortable around him." On to number 6, we've got gutted. So gutted is a synonym for being upset or disappointed with something. So I could say, "I was really gutted when I failed my exams." On to number 7, we've got knackered. Now, as you probably know from learning English, when you have the K and the N, we do not pronounce the K before the word. So it's just pronounced like knackered. And knackered is a synonym for being very tired. So I could say, "Every day when I get home from work, I'm always knackered." On to number 8, we've got mate. So mate is another word for friend. And this is really commonly used in the UK, even if people don't know you. They could come up to you and say, "You're all right, mate. How are you, mate?" And it's just a way for them to try to be friendly towards you. But I would say only use this with people that you kind of know or that your friends would know. On to number 9, we've got posh. Now, posh is used when we're talking about something or someone that we think is more upper class. So we could say, "Oh, the Queen, she's really posh." Or the BBC presenters, their accents are really posh. On to the last one, number 10, we've got bloke. Now, bloke is a synonym for man. But this one is always used in situations where you probably don't know the man. So I'll give you an example. You could say, "I just saw a bloke talking to my friend, but I don't know who he is." Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to see part 2, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you haven't done already. I'll see you in the next class.